different. I'm dope, I'm the wave, like some raw out the kitchen. Won't slip on my game, no, they wanted my position. Made my own lane, I'm like, what competition? I'm dope, niggas know me like a line. The folks who got no wave trying to trick me out of mine. But I know one thing.
I think so. So we have our potatoes. The little baby potatoes. We got some leftover potatoes. You could buy this brand or this brand. Here's my seasoning. So we're cutting the lemons and the onions and stuff. You guys, I'm gonna be in and out because I don't know how this audio what the heck I was doing. But so we're cutting the lemons so we can boil it in the water. Give it that broth. But don't use lemon, use lime, because I'm not gonna lie, with this lemon, it gave it a bitter taste, the water, but it goes away. So with the seasoning and all that, once it comes together. So I would prefer to use lime instead of lemon. So right now he's just chopping, my dad's chopping the onions and he's chopping the lemon. Yeah, I would have done it, but you know, he like to put his hand into it too. So as you can see, we have our things set up outside, especially when we're doing something big like a big meal like this. We like to cook outside so the house won't smell. So we have our like two, I don't know what they call that, but it's boiling outside, and you see we tossing in the lemon and the onions. I also put garlic powder, which you're gonna see. We put garlic powder, onion powder, some more powder, just so we could like get the broth going. So yeah, continue to watch, enjoy, and yeah. Garlic powder.
It's good?
Yeah. See how the water evaporating? I have to add some more water. Checking if the potatoes are done. Whoa. For the eggs and the potatoes. So as you can see, we have a lot of eggs. Right now, we was gonna put it in a basket, but we ended up putting it in this bag because it was more easy for us to put it instead of putting them in one by one. So it's best that you get a bag. If you have so much eggs, we have like about 72 eggs. So put it in a bag and put it in a pot. So here we have the corn, and he's putting it. We're using the same sausage. Okay, I edited this backwards, but this is the same sausage broth, because we boiled the sausage first and then we put in the corn so the corn could have that sausage flavor, you know, that salty and sweet flavor. Boy, that thing was fire. Let me calm down. But yeah, so that's what we did. So she made. Yeah, how you dissing me? Here go the sausages. Sausage. They're done though. Sausage head. Sausage head. Look at that sausage head. Oh gosh. Shrimp is. Ooh. This is what the crabs are looking like. They bought like I think how many pounds? 13. 13.99. 13.99. So the crabs were already cooked, but we went ahead and washed them, and then with the same corn, sausage, all that whole brothel water, we let the crabs, the crabs sit in there for, the snow crabs sit in there for like a couple of seconds and then took them out. So that's what we did with the crab. We didn't cook them for long. Got our sausages, snow crabs, corn, eggs, and potatoes. Butter. So you want to put it, you don't want to put your pot high, you want to put it on medium. Yeah, medium. Okay, I'm about to put in the onion.